This is 12 hours with the iPhone 12. Let's get it. Hey, y'all know I'm making a new movie on the iPhone 12, right? Do y'all even care? Do they even care? We're going to get back to the movie on the iPhone 12. It's the green one. What color did you get? Did you get it when it's dropping? We're going to do low light tests. We're going to do nighttime photography, all that. We're going to get to the review. We're going to drop it right after. We're doing it all today. Let's get it. All shot. Hours with the 12, not the 12 Pro or 12 Max. Look at this. This is the front facing screen. It's just incredible. Let's get back to the video though. Still getting it, still busting. I just want to say, firstly, I'm used to taking the GoPros with having a big bag. Just carrying this today, so we're gonna see. Epic glassy reflection. We running with the iPhone 12. Is there stability on this thing? What do y'all believe about this camera? Could you totally use this as a production camera? What about your phone calls though? So you're gonna obviously need an extra one. But what could you do with this camera? Wow, beautiful sunrise.